In this program, the library that I use is iostream.h, conyo.h, and math.h. To begin running the program, I used int_min and followed by clear screen. The data types I used is int for choice, float for income, float for food, transport, rent, debt, and others. Another float for total expenses and balance. In this particular portion, I just character out the enter income, enter expenses, show summary, and exit, and also choices 1 to 4. Also, I used /n to get a new line character. To read the input, I just used sin. And this statement is if choice is equal to 1. I often use clear screen before displaying new data. Character for menu. Then I character out the enter income and sin greater than income to read input. Then followed by character out income recorded successfully. Another character out to go back to menu. Then I include y/n to choose yes or no. Then sin to read input. Then the statement if menu is equal to yes or menu is equal to no. Then main open and close parenthesis to go back to menu. Then followed by else statement and return 0. Do not forget the braces, followed by else if statement to check multiple conditions. Then another clear screen to start another data. I used another character menu, then character out the enter income, then followed by the personal expenses, which is food, transport, rent, debt, and others. Also, I include sin to read the following personal expenses. So that's why I include personal expenses because Budget Buddy is an personal budget tracker. And it is important to character out the following expenses and sin to read it. And to get the following total expenses, there are formula to be used. And that formula is total expenses is equal to food plus transport plus rent plus debt plus others. Followed by character out your total expenses, open parenthesis, included debt, close parenthesis, equals total expenses. Another character out for expenses recorded successfully. Then followed by character out for go back to menu, followed by sin menu. Then another statement if open parenthesis menu is equal to yes or menu is equal to no close parenthesis, followed by main to go back to menu. And else statement and return 0. Then else if. Then clear screen to start another statements. Then character out the budget summary and enter your total income and send to enter the income. Also, copy-paste the following formula and the following expenses. Balance equals income minus total expenses. Then character out the total summary, another character out for income, and another character out for total expenses, and another character out for the personal expenses. Then if balance is greater than to 0, you have balance left. Then to go back to menu, the statement I used is if menu is equal to yes or menu is equal to no, followed by main and else, then return 0. Then another statement else if when I choose is equal to 4. Then clear screen and character out invalid choice. Please restart the program. It comes when I choose exit. Get ch to end the program. And this is the final program that I created for Budget Buddy. If I run and enter number 1, then enter the following income. Then you select number 2, then enter the following personal expenses. When I select number 3, enter the total income and the personal expenses and choose the overall summary.